Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how I paint this beautiful big wave. I found this reference photo on Google Image and I like the details of this wave a lot, so I use this one as my reference photo. Here I have a 8x10 canvas panel and I use acrylic colors. On my palette, I have titanium white, ultramarine blue, and aqua green. Now I start using these colors to make my background. A little touch of the blue and mixed with a lot of white for the sky. Now I use the blue color and the aqua blue and my white to build up the basic shape of my wave. Now is the second layer of my sky and my wave shadow parts and the highlight parts. Now I use some aqua green mixed with white to make my splash shadow. This will indicate the shape and the position of the splash. Now I use the ultramarine blue mixed with white to make my wave with some details. I add some black to the ultramarine blue to put on the darkest area of my wave. Now I use this dark blue color mixed with some white to make it a light gray color to add more details. You know, the more different colors you use for the details, the more realistic painting you will get. Now I'm mixing this very light aqua green color to the very light part of this wave. Actually, this part is the part that the sun can get through this wave. And I use this color for the highlights of the other part of this wave as well. a lot of titanium white with a little touch of the aqua green to make this light color for the foam on this wave and paint more details of the highlights of this wave. Titanium white only to add some dots to indicate the splash water drop, and also use it for some highlights part. Now is the fun part. I use this palette knife, touch the titanium white lightly, and I'm going to use this palette knife to do the circle motion to paint my splash. Be careful when you do the palette knife for the splash. You should always be careful, don't make it too hard. Just barely touch the canvas surface and do this circle motion. Now I'm adding more details with a light purplish gray color. This is the color I use ultramarine blue mixed with my aqua green. This blue color is very beautiful, it's one of my favorite color, and I use it for more details. I use this ultramarine blue color to paint another layer on the shadow part and add more details on my wave, and use a lighter ultramarine blue color to soften the edges of my ultramarine darkest shadows. It's always good to add more details. More details will make your painting more realistic. Now I use some cat yellow color, paint on my wave to indicate the part that the sunlight's getting through my wave. Now I do the second layer of my splash. added some white mixed with my cat yellow color to paint on the brightest part of my wave. This will make my wave really bright. Alright, the final touch of my splash, and it's done! I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I like this painting a lot. For more information, you can check out my description box below. You're welcome to follow me with my Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.